Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to link your TikTok Shop account to your Ecwid store using M2E. First, log into your Ecwid admin panel. In the left menu, click Apps, then App Market. In the search bar, type M2E. Find TikTok Shop Connect in the results and click it, then click Install. Confirm the permissions and click Install again. The app will be added to your Ecwid admin in a few seconds. Now set up your M2E account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, click Register Now and fill in your details. This creates your profile on M2E accounts. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions, check the agreement box, and click Create Account. Next, you'll need to link your TikTok Shop account. Click Connect Marketplace Account and choose TikTok. Select the region your account is registered in, then click Connect. You'll be redirected to TikTok Shop Seller Center to authorize the connection. If you're not already logged in, enter your TikTok credentials. Once you authorize, you'll be returned to the app with your TikTok Shop account linked. That's it. You're now on a 30-day free trial. Follow the app's setup guide to configure your products, inventory sync, and order settings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.